guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a very exciting day. We are going to go to the Christmas market. They have literally just started this weekend, so that means we're going to be one of the first to go. And it's actually my favourite market as well. It's called Chatsworth Market, and it's only around for like 3 weeks and then it moves on. So got that booked in, going there. And then Ella has a light show, so she's made like a big massive lantern and it's called the Festival of Lights. So we're gonna go and do the parade there, and then we're gonna just have some food, hang out, do a little bit of browsing the shops. But yeah, I hope that you guys are in the Christmas spirit, are really nice and cozy, have got some snacks, whatever you've got, because guys, if you're not in the Christmas spirit already, then you're going to be in the Christmas spirit in about 5 minutes time. So without further ado, I need to hurry up and get ready, and then we shall see you at the Christmas market.
Christmas lights fill the city. There are people everywhere. The snow is falling white and pretty.
It's a beautiful green colour.
As I stroll on my way to you, how will you feel about packing up today? Leave this all behind, go get snowed in somewhere, you and me.
My heart's pumping like a metal up looking fool. When we get home, I'll fix a mistake. So whip crack away, whip crack away, whip crack away.
Okay, so back from the Christmas market, guys, there's so much stuff. Now I am a real bad sucker for food. I want to buy all the food, but then I have to remind myself, am I actually going to use it before it goes out of date? So I did buy some fresh bread and this, I don't know if you saw it in the video, this like Christmas pudding kind of roll, or would you call it a roll? And then I also got these marshmallows. So I got lemon meringue, raspberry and dark chocolate, and chocolate orange marshmallows. But they're really large and squishy. This is what they're really quite big. Yeah, they're really. Do you know the best thing about Christmas markets is the fact that you can taste things, like chin tasting. You can taste all the cheeses, all the marshmallows, all the food stores where they basically have like tasting mark. I love, but the only problem was it was very crowded. So like I couldn't even get to the front of the cheese. I couldn't even get to the front of the cheese stand to even try the cheese, which I'm so sad about because I love Christmas market cheese. They just have some of the best. So basically that was a little bit sad. I also bought this like pink lemonade soap. I love that it's got like a little bit of a marble effect, but it smells divine. Honestly, smells really, really nice. So that's it out of the packaging. How pretty is that? It just looks so nice. Anyway, the pink lemonade one is amazing. So if anyone wants to know, it's from Soapology, and they actually do have, I think she said she had an Etsy shop. So if you did want to try and get one, then check Etsy, because yeah, Soapology, that's the lady. And honestly, the pink lemonade one smells the best. The others I wasn't too keen on, but this one, delicious. And then, yeah, just had, what did I have for lunch? Pulled pork and stuffing and apple sauce. That doesn't get any better than that. I don't know. Christmas has started, guys.
Hi, hello. We're Valente. Hello.
Whew. Today has been busy. First of all, the light festival was so cute, and guys, Santa's had an upgrade. Santa is now in, was he in a Rolls Royce? No, he wasn't in a Rolls Royce. Can't remember what he was in, but he was in some fancy car driving down behind us. He's not in a sledge anymore. Like, what? He's not in a sleigh. So yeah, Santa's had an upgrade. The light festival was so cute, like seeing all the little lanterns that they made, and I just love our little lantern with the little blue flowers, so cute. But yeah, today has been, like I said, just the most wonderful day to just feel Christmassy, get in the Christmas spirit, and just enjoy the small little things. I just have loved it, every little bit of it. So that's going to conclude today's video. I hope you have enjoyed it, and even though my hair has definitely looked better, I've just shoved it up now, but yeah, hope you've enjoyed it, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye guys.